A very good morning, students. Students, I welcome you all in today's online lecture. Today we are going to solve our practice set 14. In the last lecture, we had solved practice set 13, that is, find the LCM. That was first question. And second was find the HCF and LCM of the numbers given below and verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. These two questions we had solved. Today we will start practice set 14. This practice set is last practice set of this chapter, students. So let's start question number 1. Here is the question 1. Choose the right option. Question number 1 is choose the right option. In this, two questions are there. So the first question is the HCF of 120 and 150 is dash. I repeat, the HCF of 120 and 150 is dash. Here are some options given. We have to choose one correct option from this. Okay. So students, how we will get the answer that HCF of 120 and 150? So that we have to find out first prime factors of 120 and 150, right? So the prime factors of 120 are 2 60s are 120, 2 30s are 60, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Clear? Now factors of 150. So 2 is divisible. 2 75s are 150. 3 25s are 75. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So students, we have got prime factors of both the numbers. Now we have to take common factors. So common factors are, I can see here 2 and 2 is a common factor. So I have written 2. Then we have 3 and 3. Second common factor we have got, that is 3. Third common factor we have, that is 5. So how many common factors we have got over here? 3 common factors. Which are those? 2, 3, 5. So multiply this. 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Answer is 30. So the HCF of 120 and 150 is 30. So see the option where is 30? First only. Yes. So what is your answer? The HCF of 120 and 150 is 30. So the answer is, students, answer is option 1. Okay. So students, you have to write this solution also along with the question. Don't just write here 30. How you have got this answer 30? You have solved this, no? So you have to solve this solution also in your notebook. Okay? So write down this solution, students. Or you can take screenshot of this. Or you can solve on your own also. Okay? Let's move towards next question. Question 2. The HCF of this pair of numbers is not 1. Students, I repeat the question. The HCF of this pair of numbers is not 1. See the pairs 13 and 17, 29 and 20, 40 and 20, 14 and 15. So what we have to do? We have to find out HCF of all the pairs. HCF of this, HCF of this, HCF of this and HCF of this pair also. Okay. So let's take pair 1, 13 and 17. So factors of 13 are 13 ones are 13, 17 ones are 17. So students, what is the HCF of 13 and 17? That is 1. Why? Because there is no common factor here. So if there is no common factor, then the HCF will be 1. Right? So here HCF we have got 1. Let's take second pair 29 and 20. Let's take out the prime factors of this pair. Prime factors of 29 is 29 ones are 29. Okay. Prime factors of 20. So 2 tens are 20, 2 fives are 10, 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now take out the common numbers between this. Can you see any common number in this? No, there is no common number. So the HCF of 29 and 20 is 1. Here also we have got HCF 1. Next, let's take third pair, that is 40 and 20. Factors of 40 are 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Okay. Factors of 20 are 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So we have got prime factors of 40 and 20. Take out the common factors. Here 2 is common. So write 2. Again 2 is common. Again write 2. Then 5 is common. Write 5. So let's take out HCF. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. That is 20. The HCF of 40 and 20 is 20. Okay. Now let's take fourth pair 14 and 15. Factors of 14 are 2 sevens are 14, 7 ones are 7. Factors of 15 are 3 fives are 15, 5 ones are 5. Can you see common factor over here? No common factor. So the HCF will be 1. So students, we have calculated HCF of all the pairs, right? Let's read the question again. The HCF of this pair of numbers is not 1. So which pair is not having HCF 1? That is this pair. Here HCF is 20. And if we see, these three pairs have got HCF 1. So your answer is option 3. This pair of numbers, the HCF is not 1. So your answer is option 3. I hope you all have understood this question 1 of practice set 14. Yes, in question 1, 2 questions are there. So we have solved these 2 questions. Okay. Write solution also. Again and again I am telling you all, write this solution also in your notebook. The way I have solved the questions over here, same way you have to solve in your notebook. Clear? Let's move to question number 2 of practice set 14. That is, find the HCF and LCM. Here we have to find out HCF also and LCM also. So question number 1, 14 and 28. So the factors of 14 are 2 sevens are 7 ones are. Factors of 28. 2 14s are 28, 2 sevens are 14, 7 ones are 7. Now HCF. Common factors are, this 2 is common, so write 2. 7 is common, write 7. Okay, so the HCF of 14 and 28 is 14. 2 sevens are 14. So the HCF we have got 14. Now calculate LCM. How to calculate LCM? First, take out common numbers and then uncommon numbers. So the common numbers we know 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 we have already written. What is uncommon number? Can you see any uncommon number in this? No. Uncommon number? Yes, this 2 is uncommon. So write 2 also. So we have written 2, 7 common numbers and 2 uncommon number. Now calculate. 2 sevens are 14, 14 twos are 28. So the LCM is 28. Okay. Question number 2, 32 and 16. Factors of 32 are 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Factors of 16 are 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now HCF, common factors. 2 is common, again 2 is common, again 2 is common, again 2 is common. So 4 times 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. The HCF is 16. Now LCM. Common factors are 4 times 2. See, this we have encircled, right? So these are common factors. What is uncommon? Which number is uncommon? These 2. So these 2 also we will write. See here, I have written. So the LCM is 32. Clear, everybody? Easy? Yes, it is very easy, right? Question number 3. 17, 102, 170. Factors of 17. 17 ones are 17. Factors of 102. 250 ones are 102. 3 17s are 51. 17 ones are 17. Factors of 170. 2 85s are 170. 5 17s are 85. 17 ones are 17. Now first we have to take out common numbers to calculate HCF. The common number in all these numbers is 17. See here. 17 is there in all the numbers. So the HCF is 17. Now LCM. Common number is 17. Okay. In all these three numbers, 17 is common. Now take out the group of 2 numbers. Suppose I am taking these 2. Any common number is there? No. Take these 2 numbers. Take the group of these 2. Any common number is there? Yes. See here, 2 is common. So, I have written 2. Now, uncommon numbers. Uncommon numbers are 3 and 5. So, 17 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is 510. So, the LCM is 510. Okay, write down this question. Question number 4. 23 and 69. Factors of 23 is 23 ones are. Factors of 69 are 3 23s are 69. 23 ones are 23. HCF. Common factor is 23. HCF is 23. What is LCM? Common factor is 23. Uncommon factor is 3. So 23 3s are 69. Okay. So LCM is 69. Question number 5. 21, 49, 84. Factors of 21 are 3. 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. Factors of 49 are 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. Factors of 84 are 2 42s are 84. 2 21s are 42. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. We have calculated all the prime factors. Now to find HCF, we have to take out common number. So common number I can see here is 7. See here. 7 is common in all the numbers. Yes or no? So 7. Can you see any other common number which is there in all the numbers. Which is there in all the numbers. No such number is there except 7. So the HCF is 7. Now LCM. Take out common. Common is 7. Okay. Then make a group of 2 numbers. See, take these two. Any common number you can see here apart from 7. Because 7 we have already taken. See here, we have encircled. 3 is not the common, 7 is also not common. Again, take these two. Any common number is there apart from these 7? No common number is there. Now take these two numbers. See my pointer, students. This group we will take. Any common number is there? Yes. Which common number? 3. So 3 we have to write. Then remaining all the numbers means which are not common. So those numbers are 7, 2, 2. 7, 2, 2. So if we multiply this, we will get answer 588. So the LCM is 588. Write down this solution, students. Students, we have completed question number 2 also, that is find the HCF and LCM. Let's move towards third question. What is the third question? Find the LCM. Only LCM you have to find. So are you all ready? Okay. First question, 36 and 42. 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 42. 2 21s are 42. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. LCM. Common factors are 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And these are uncommon factors, right? So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 is 252. So the LCM is 252. Okay. Next question. 15, 25, 30. Factors of 15 are 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Factors of 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Factors of 30, 2 15s are 30, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Common factors are 5 5 5. So the 5 is common. 5 is common. Then see here 3 and 3 is common in these two. So 3 also I have written. And remaining are 5 and 2 which are uncommon. So 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 is 150. Clear everybody? Question number 3. 18, 42, 48. Factors of 18 are 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. factors of 42. 2 21s are 42. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. Okay. Factors of 48. 2 24s are 48. 2 12s are 24. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Students, common factors are, see, I have encircled. Only 2 factors are common in this, that is 2 and 3. And these are all uncommon factors. So those uncommon factors also I have written. See my pointer. These are uncommon factors. So LCM is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 is 1008. Clear? Write down this answer. Question number 4. 4, 12, 20. Factors of 4 are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Factors of 12 are 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 20. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So the LCM is, common factors we have got 2 times 2. So 2 and 2. These are common and these 3 and 5 are uncommon. So the LCM is 60. Okay. Now the last question of question number 3 is 24, 40, 80, 120. So the factors you can see here. I have calculated all the factors here. Common factors 2, 2, 2. 3 times 2 is common. So 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now we have to make groups. Here in this, any common number is there? No. Here any common number is there? Okay, now students, this is very important. Here 4 numbers are there. So what we will do? We will take common numbers in all the numbers. Okay, first we will take common numbers in all the numbers. So we have got 3 times 2, which are common in all the numbers. Now we will take group of 3, 3. Let's take group 3. Any common number is there which is there in all these 3? No. Take these 3. Any common number is there? Yes. Which is the common number? 5 in 3. In 3 numbers, right? So I have written 5 also. Then take group of 2, 2 numbers. Here no common number, here no common number, here no common number. If we take these 2, no common number. If we take these 2, common number is 3, right? So write 3 also. Now which are uncommon? See this 2 is uncommon. So 2. So if we multiply all these numbers, we will get LCM is 240. Okay. So students, here we have completed question number 3 of practice set 14. Okay. You have to complete your book till this question number 3. Everything you have to write in your notebook. I hope you all have understood this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you so much, students.